Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to select multiple line in Pycharm. Then we are going to learn how to use find usage to see the usage of a particular function or method, and finally we are going to refactor one method. First we'll change its name and then we'll change the signature. So let's start with the multiple line select, and for that I'm going to use the key that is Alt Shift, and with mouse I can select multiple lines. Now the same things you can use in Pycharm as well as in Notepad++. So let's see that. After pressing Alt and Shift I can select multiple lines that you can see here, and the same things if I will apply in Notepad++, there also I can select multiple lines. Now we are going to see how to find usage of a method or function. So this way, if we have one particular method and that we want to know wherever that method has been used, that we can see. I will press Alt and F7 to find its usage, and here you can see it has been used in man.py. Now I will close this one, again go back to the submodule, right click and find usage. So this way also we can find its usage. Now let's see how to refactor, and here we are going to rename and then we are going to change the signature. So we are going to rename this one, right click and refactor, rename, and I will change this to print name _1, enter, and you can see wherever it has been called there also its name changed. Now I will again go to the refactor, then change signature. I will add one new variable or parameter here, and default value I will pass as ABC. Then I'll just refactor it. Then if I'll go to the man.py, here you can see this parameter has been added. So thanks for watching.